So there was a full wall here, a big flat shelf area with a door, and this whole area forward was for the crew. So galley, forward stateroom, 2 bunks, shower and a head. Again, during that restoration, this was all removed, and they did a beautiful job of incorporating this space and the forward space. You'll notice the glass panel, again, all the custom woodwork. Yet it all ties together with colors. It is the Chris Craft red stain, so you will not see any big difference between what was old and what was added. One of the